Begin the interlaced chain stitch by making a row of the regular chain stitch. Now come out from one end of the chain stitch and start looping under the second stitch to go under the first one. Keep the loops loose so that it is visible. Tightening it will collapse it into the chain stitch row. Once one side is done, move to the other side and work the loops in the same way. See how it is turning out? This is an absolutely decorative stitch. How do you imagine using this stitch? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching.